Everyone, in today's video we will see how to transfer a GTA Plus from PS5 to PC. Move subscription to Rockstar launcher. So first, how to transfer a GTA Plus from PS5 to PC. You cannot directly transfer a active GTA Plus subscription from PS5 to PC because memberships are strictly platform specific and tied to a separate storefront ecosystem. To move your subscription benefit to the Rockstar game launcher on PC, you must manually cancel your active PlayStation plan and open a new subscription for the PC users. Now, step 1, cancel your GTA Plus subscription on PS5. Because billing goes through the PlayStation network, you must stop recurring charges from your console or web browser first. So navigate to settings on your PS5 home screen, then select user and account, then click on account, now payment and subscription. Then click on subscription and locate the GTA Plus. Now select the turn off auto renew and cancel subscription to prevent future charges. Your active perks will remain valid until the end of your current billing cycle. Step 2, set up your subscription on Rockstar Game Launcher. Once your console subscription cycle finish, purchase the PC membership through your launcher. First, open the Rockstar Game Launcher on the PC and log into the same Rockstar Games social club account linked to your PS5. Then click on the GTA Plus tab in the main sidebar. Now you can click Join Now to initiate the checkout. Now complete your payment of $7.99 per month to activate the perks for the GTA 5 Enhanced PC Edition. Now the critical data warning to keep in mind. Before shifting your gameplay to PC entirely, be aware of how your progress and item behave across platform. No cross progress between PS5 and the PC. So the Rockstar game does not support character or story migration between PlayStation 5 and PC. While your social club account link your profile data for tracking purposes. Your actual GTA online character, rank and vehicle will not sync between your console and PC. You will be starting fresh or utilizing separate progress on the PC. Now, the second one, no vehicle or item transfer. Any premium vehicle clothing or club permission unlocked via GTA Plus on your PS5. Stay locked to the PS5 character slot. Third one, the Shark card and bank balance. In-game currency balance purchased via PlayStation Shark card do not move over your PC Maze bank account balance. Okay, so goodbye and thanks for watching.